Sampurasun.
Desa Garung
Hulu
Patan Jala
makin rentana
Patan Jala.
Alicia, can you hear me? Bisa enggak lah. Okay, Alicia and your friend, thank you for coming from Kuningan with the community of Patanjala. You understand me? Hey, I said you that Patanjala is the one of the methodological environmental education practice.
Kita sadar rahayuna yang di